Newton's second law of motion explanation. Sir Isaac Newton, one of the most influential scientists in history, formulated three fundamental laws of motion that form the foundation of classical mechanics. Among them, Newton's second law of motion holds special significance because it provides a clear quantitative description of how forces affect the motion of objects. In its simplest form, the law states, the acceleration of an object is directly proportional to the net force acting upon it and inversely proportional to its mass. This statement is usually expressed in the mathematical form F is equal to m/c dot A, where F is the net force, m is the mass of the object, and a is the acceleration produced. Breaking down the law. 1. Force and acceleration relationship. According to the law, when a net force acts on an object, it produces acceleration. The larger the force applied, the greater the acceleration, provided the mass remains constant. For example, pushing a car with a certain force will accelerate it slowly, but applying twice the force will double the acceleration if friction and other factors remain the same. 2. Role of mass. Mass represents the amount of matter in an object and also its resistance to change in motion, which is called inertia. Newton's second law shows that acceleration decreases as mass increases if the applied force stays constant. This explains why it is easier to push an empty shopping cart than a full one. 3. Vector nature. Both force and acceleration are vector quantities, meaning they have direction as well as magnitude. Thus, the acceleration of an object occurs in the same direction as the net force applied. If multiple forces act on an object, the vector sum, net force, determines the resulting motion. Everyday examples. Newton's second law is not just a theoretical principle, it explains countless experiences in daily life. Driving a car. Pressing the accelerator increases the force produced by the engine, which increases the car's acceleration. A heavier vehicle, like a truck, requires more force to achieve the same acceleration as a lighter car. Sports. In football, when a player kicks a ball harder, greater force, the ball accelerates faster and travels farther. A lighter ball requires less force to achieve the same speed than a heavier ball. Falling objects. Gravity exerts a force proportional to mass, and according to Newton's law, this force causes acceleration due to gravity, about 9.8 ms superscript 2 on Earth. Scientific importance. Newton's second law is a cornerstone of physics because it connects motion with the forces causing it. The first law, law of inertia, describes what happens when no net force acts, while the second law explains what happens when a force is present. Together, they provide predictive power. By knowing the forces acting on an object, one can calculate its acceleration and predict its future motion. This law is also the basis for engineering and technology. A.